In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute NinjaTrader. If platform sounds are distracting during active sessions, or you prefer visual alerts only, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to silence them from within NinjaTrader's own settings, without touching your system volume or third-party tools. First, open the Control Center. This is the main hub of NinjaTrader and the window that manages your workspaces, connections, and settings. If you're looking at a chart or another panel, make sure the Control Center is brought to the front so you can access the application menus. Next, go to Tools, then choose Settings. This opens the central place where you manage how the platform behaves. We'll make all the changes we need in a single spot here. In the Settings window, select the General tab if it isn't already active, then scroll down until you reach the Sounds section. This section lists the different sound events NinjaTrader can play, such as fills, order submissions, or connection changes. Each event typically has a sound file assigned to it, which is why you hear audio cues while trading. To mute NinjaTrader, you'll remove the sound file associated with each event. For every sound event in the list, click the small X next to the file path. Clicking the X clears that event's assigned audio, which stops that specific sound from playing. Work your way down the list methodically, one event at a time. A quick way to confirm you're done is to check that there's no file name or path displayed next to each event. Remember, you're not deleting any files from your computer, you're simply telling NinjaTrader not to use them for these alerts. When you've cleared the sounds for all the events you want muted, click OK to save your changes. To ensure the changes take effect everywhere in the platform, restart NinjaTrader. Fully close the application and open it again. After the restart, those alerts will be silent, while the rest of the platform will continue to function normally. That's all there is to it. You've muted NinjaTrader by clearing the assigned audio for each event, saved the changes, and restarted the platform to apply them. If you ever decide you want specific alerts back, return to the same sounds section and assign a file to the events you want to hear again. This gives you full control over the platform's noise level so you can keep your focus exactly where you need it.